Are you experiencing difficulty losing weight? Has it affected your self-confidence or made you more depressed? Is your health at jeopardy because you have not been able to lose that extra weight? Hi, I'm Dr. Jones, DC with Colorado Medical Solutions. And in this short video, we're gonna talk about our weight loss programs, why they're effective at not only helping our patients lose weight, but more importantly, keep it off in a way that is much less stressful than the programs I've seen on the market. So the problem with most weight loss programs is not so much their ability to necessarily help you lose weight, although some of them just don't flat out work, but more importantly, most of them don't really have a successful way that you can maintain the weight loss. And in my opinion, in order to be able to maintain that weight loss, we have to have lost the weight in something that's not too stressful, because the less stressful it is, the more likely that you are going to be able to maintain that weight loss. And I think fasting is the way to do it. Not just intermittent fasting, although that is a fantastic way to start fasting, but we got to get into some prolonged fasting. We got to get into some fasting that exceeds 24 hours, and we got to do it routinely. A lot of our patients are doing that weekly. Some of them are even going 48 hours for a week-by-week basis, and the weight is just falling off of them at a rate that is really motivating and really exciting, and really helping to flip the switch in their head and their whole overall psyche and towards successful weight loss. And then because they've learned how to fast, they're able to actually keep it off, because now their body is adept at fasting. They're fat adapted, that little term that we call metabolic flexibility. The more fasting you do, the more flexible your metabolism gets, and the easier fasting gets. Now, how do we segue into fasting? Because fasting is not easy to do past 24 hours. And that's where the hack comes in with the semaglutide peptide. Semaglutide is a game changer when it comes to suppressing your appetite. And we utilize that with our patients during their weight loss journey so that we can make fasting significantly easier. Then by the end of the program, when they lose their weight and now they just want to maintain it, they don't need that peptide anymore, because their metabolism is more flexible and they are able to do whatever type of frequency of fasting they need to maintain that weight loss. And again, fasting just frees up your time. Don't worry about food. Don't stress about it. Go enjoy your life. Go enjoy your new body. So if you're struggling with your weight, if it's affecting your self-confidence or making you feel depressed, or trying to regain control of your health, quit procrastinating, call that number, schedule a consultation, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the clinic.